crawl up on top. I would crawl up on top of the camper, but I'd be afraid that I'm about to get struck by lightning. All right, let go.
Well, then quit going that way.
Not going that way.
Damn.
My camera, my phone sucks at nighttime stuff, but I don't know why I got the windshield wipers on. It's not even raining anymore.
Yeah, I can't see you now because there's a noise in the way.
Want to go hang out in the backyard or something for a
Yes.
while? Because this stuff's
On top of the
pretty
camper.
intense.